Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've got a Dell D6000 docking station and you're ready to set it up, you might be unsure about the correct way to connect everything, especially since this dock supports multiple displays and devices through a single connection. Many users plug it in but don't get the expected results, like monitors not turning on or peripherals not being detected. The D6000 is a powerful universal docking station, but it requires the right setup process to function smoothly. Once everything is done right, your laptop transforms into a complete workstation setup. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Dell D6000 docking station correctly. Try these. Step 1. Connect the docking station to a power source and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the USB cable from the dock into your laptop. Step 3. Wait for the system to detect and install drivers automatically. Step 4. Connect monitors and other devices to the docking station. Step 5. Check display and device settings to confirm recognition. Step 6. Test all connected devices to ensure everything is working properly.